Hey there, beauty enthusiasts. So today we're going to explore a grungy pink eye makeup look. If you're afraid and anything like me and always wanted to try a red eyeshadow and pink eyeshadow, but was just afraid it's going to make you look sick, give this slightly grungy edge version pink makeup look a try. So if you're interested, continue watching and let's dive in. So we always want to start off with an eyeshadow primer. I'm using my Wet n Wild primer here. And this is just going to neutralize the eyes, make the colors last longer and more vibrant. So let's get started. I'm going to be working with this palette, Plumera Dragon by Sugar Drizzle. And we're going to first apply a neutral shade all over the eyelid. This shade is called Puff of Smoke. And I'm just putting that all over the eyelid and in the crease area. So because this was going to be a grungy look, I decided to brighten it up a little bit. I took this white shimmer shade from Charmacy's eyeshadow palette and I just added to the arch area of my brow bone and in the inner corners of my eyes. And I like to just use my finger to blend those out. So I then go back into Plumera Dragon palette and I take Miss Dragon, this pink shade, and I bring it into the inner corner of my eyes and kind of sweep it into the middle area of my lid. So I'm just kind of shaping this into how I want it. So just bringing it into the inner corner and halfway in the eyelid. Now I take a small blendy brush and I just blend the edges out to that pink color. Now with the same brush, I just wipe it off. I grab this rustic looking color from Fantasy Prism Palette and I add that to the outer corner of my eyes. I next grab that blending brush again and I blend these two colors together to get like that gradient effect. Next, I'm going to take this gel eyeliner from Appeal. I'm going to add that to the bottom waterline and also to the bottom lash line. So I want to calm down the pink shade. So I'm taking that rustic color again from Fantasy Prism and I'm just going to blend that into the pink. Okay, now I know we're going for a grungy look, but I need to see my eye makeup clean to a certain extent, if you know what I mean. So I'm just taking a little bit of concealer and just cleaning up a little bit just to make everything look nice and clean and sharp looking. Next, I'll take a black eyeshadow from Fantasy's palette and I'm just going to add that to the upper lash line and make a slight wing. So I love to tightline. I feel like it makes your lashes look thicker and fuller. So I almost never forget to do this part. And I just regular pencil black eyeliner tightline the upper waterline. So I felt like this look needed a little bit more grungy look. So I took a brown shade from Charmacy palette and I just added that to the bottom lash line. Now finish off the look with some mascara on both top and bottom lashes, and you can pair this up with a nude lip. In case you was interested, here are the rest of the products that I wore to finish off the makeup look. Foundation, bronzer, concealer, highlight, and blush. So here's what the colors look like in natural lighting. So I took this clip outside so you can see that it looks grungy, but it looks put together. Tell me what you ladies think in the comments below. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more makeup tutorials. Until next time, keep experimenting and have fun with your makeup. And remember, makeup is art, beauty is your spirit. Ciao.